I'm so excited to film this part of the video. The Silver Play Button Award is here. It's been here for a few days. I wanted to wait until I knew exactly what I wanted to say before I opened it with you. So I'm gonna open it on camera. I'm gonna hold the box this way because it's got all of my contact info on there. And then I'd like to share a few words, and then we'll have a toast, okay? All right, so let's try to open this without, okay. So this is the inside of the box. Take this off. There's a letter in here. This note says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." So that's just, I guess, like the certification. And then this letter says, make sure I'm not showing my address here. Let me take this out of the box. There we go. This letter says, "Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed, and their numbers increased because of you and the community that you've built. Well, we're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community." I'm gonna cry. I didn't think I would, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write you and ask, "Do you remember your 100,000th subscriber?" Sincerely yours, Neil Mohan. I can't believe this. There it is. I'm going to take it out of the paper. Presented to Lifestyle with Melonie Graves for passing 100,000 subscribers. I'm going to have to go get some tissue. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I'm so excited. All right. Let me grab some tissue and then I'll be right back. My goodness, I had just put my lashes on and everything. Okay, so I don't want this thank you to sound preachy, but I do have a testimony. So I do want to start by saying thank you so much to all of you who have been on this journey with me all these years. I wrote down what I wanted to say because I didn't want to forget any of it. So I'm going to read this to you. There's something about this season, the lights, the warmth, the quiet moments, that makes you reflect on how far God has carried you. And today, holding this silver play button in my hands, I feel that more than ever. Many of you know this didn't come easy. There were years it felt like the growth stopped, the camera went quiet, and maybe I had reached the end of my story here. And yet, in the middle of those silent seasons, God was still writing. He has strengthened me. He was stretching me, preparing me, even when I didn't see it. There were days I wanted to walk away, and actually last year I did for a little while. Days where life felt heavy and YouTube felt harder than it should have. But every single time, God whispered, "Not yet. Keep going." And now, in this beautiful time of year, my favorite time of year, with my home glowing and my heart full, I open this award and I'm reminded that His timing is never late. not once. Put that there. This silver play button, it's not just a milestone. It's a love letter from God that says, I never forgot you. I never overlooked you. I was preparing you. To everyone that has been a part of this journey, you are a piece of this moment with me. Your comments, your messages, your encouragement, you've helped build something pretty special here. And to my Father, thank you for every closed door that protected me, for every open door that surprised me, and for every quiet moment where you held my hand through it all. And here's to the next chapter, to gratitude, to resilience, and to a Father who makes everything beautiful in his perfect, perfect timing. So here's to what's next. Maybe 1 million, but for sure, I thank you and I appreciate you all. Love and peace. Merry Christmas, and here's to an amazing 2026. Cheers.